Hi, it's Jen from backpackies.com, and in this video, we're going to review 3 different women's work backpacks that you can buy today. We have split each backpack into different categories. The first is a tech backpack for those of you who value lots of organization. The second is a more sophisticated backpack for the office. And the third is our budget pick that proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a good backpack for work. I'll be leaving timestamps in the video description so you can skip to the bag of your choice. Also in the video description is a link to backpackies.com where you can find a larger list of the best women's backpacks for work and where to buy them. We are always updating that list with new backpacks, so make sure to check it out for even more backpack options. Now let's jump into the reviews, starting with the eBags Professional Slim Junior. This is our pick for anyone who needs a reliable, functional, and roomy backpack for tech. In terms of style, it lacks that clean, minimal look that you see in a lot of modern tech backpacks, but what it lacks in sleekness, it more than makes up in functionality. This backpack is an absolute workhorse with a ton of features that make it special. First is this front zip compartment that opens up to reveal 2 large organizers. You know all those small items that tend to fall to the bottom of your bag? Well, this compartment keeps everything nice and neat. From business cards to pens. It even has these large slip pockets for things you want to keep secure and hidden. On the bottom of the bag, you have what eBags calls the AC adapter garage. It's a crush-proof compartment meant to hold things like power adapters, headphones, or anything you don't want smushed inside your backpack. eBags also separates your laptop compartment from the main compartment. This backpack includes a fully padded laptop compartment that's located in the back of the backpack. And in the middle of the backpack, you have your main storage compartment for personal items or business paperwork. eBags even includes a separate tablet pocket that can be accessed from the top of the bag. This pocket is also padded. What these laptop and tablet compartments allow you to do is to keep your tech and personal items separate. Keeping everything separate is very useful, especially when you're at something like a work meeting or when traveling. In addition to being my tech backpack of choice, the eBags Professional Slim Junior actually makes an amazing travel backpack as well. This is thanks to its small size, which allows it to be carried as a personal item on flights, and its trolley sleeve on the back panel that allows you to attach it to luggage handles. Not a lot of backpacks have this feature, so I was really impressed how eBags was able to pack so many features into such a small bag. What I also love about the eBags Professional Slim Junior is that it has a water bottle pocket hidden on the side. This allows you to carry a water bottle when needed, but if you want a more professional look, it can be tucked away for a cleaner appearance. Now it's worth noting that I'm reviewing the eBags Professional Slim Junior. It's called the Junior because it's the smaller version of the regular eBags Professional Slim, which is larger in size. So if you are on the taller side, or just want something with a little more storage room, then the regular Professional Slim is definitely an option. The eBags Professional Slim Junior is also available in a few different colors, so it's easy to find one that fits your style. MSRP of the eBags Professional Slim Junior is $119, but it can go on sale from time to time, so you should definitely check out the link in the description to see what the price is currently. Next up is our office backpack pick, and that's the Targus Newport backpack. The reason I call it an office backpack is because style-wise, it's more sophisticated, so it doesn't look out of place in more professional work environments. This is thanks to Targus and their amazing attention to detail. You have these elegant gold-colored zippers and hardware accents, and synthetic leather zipper pulls. Even the branding is really discreet, with a small gold embossed logo on the front of the bag. The bag itself is made of water-resistant nylon with synthetic leather panels. All these small details really help elevate the look and sets it apart from your average backpack. One thing you'll notice about the Targus Newport is that it's really slim and compact without being so small that you can't fit anything inside. So for anyone who commutes to work and just needs a bag for their essentials, this backpack is a great choice. The Targus Newport can be divided into two separate compartments. The first is this roomy main compartment that has a few slip pockets and a small zipper pocket to keep things secure. The second compartment is a separate laptop compartment that is fully padded. So just like the eBags Professional Slim Jr., you have access to your tech without having to open up your main compartment. The laptop compartment is designed to hold slim laptops or tablets up to 15 inches. One thing you'll notice is this bright orange lining on the inside of the bag. This is great for quickly finding things that can get lost in the bottom of a pocket. It just makes looking for specific items a lot faster and a lot easier. And of course, that's not it for pockets. The Newport includes plenty of external pockets for quick access. On the back, you have this hidden anti-theft pocket for things like a passport, phone, or a wallet, which is great for city commuters and travelers. And the front of the backpack also features additional slip pockets for smaller items you want to keep handy. All in all, the Targus Newport is a good option for anyone who needs a sophisticated backpack for daily work carry or to travel with on business trips. The MSRP on the Targus Newport is $99, which is a great price for something this compact and stylish. It's also available in 3 different colors: black, navy, and olive, so you are sure to find one that fits your style. Our last women's work backpack is the Inateck Ultralight. It's our budget pick because you can usually grab one for around $30. For a backpack this cheap, I was surprised to find a great design and tons of useful features. The design itself is simple, yet stylish enough to wear to work. Branding is minimal, with just a printed logo on the bottom of the bag. The Ultralight name is thanks to its polyester fabric that allows the backpack to weigh just 18 ounces. Although it is lightweight, the polyester material helps the bag keep its shape, even when empty. On the outside of the bag, you will find 2 deep side pockets and a front pocket that has its own organizer panel for things like pens, phones, and other small items. Inside of the bag is where you will find a large main compartment. This compartment has space for larger, bulky items like business binders, a lunch, or even a change of clothes. Unlike the other 2 backpacks in this video, the Inateck Ultralight backpack includes its tech storage inside the main compartment. So you have a padded laptop sleeve that is coupled with a smaller tablet sleeve. This allows you to carry more than one device safely and securely. Another really cool feature that the Inateck Ultralight includes is a small pocket right below an included USB cable that is used for charging your electronic devices. This USB cable ports to the outside of the bag where you can connect your phone or tablet. So if you want to take advantage of this feature, you will need your own portable power bank that you place inside the pocket and plug in. From the outside, you can connect your USB charging cable to your device on the go. It's a pretty great feature that I was surprised to see in a backpack this cheap. It's really useful when I'm traveling and on days where I'm running late and forget to charge my phone. The last thing I'll mention is that Inateck designed this backpack to be anti-theft. So if you are a commuter or someone who does a lot of traveling, You will love the small details Inateck includes to keep your items safe. One cool feature is that Inateck includes a hidden back pocket for small valuables like a phone or cash. And then there are all these small design details, like using the side pockets to hide zippers, and a zipper underneath the top Velcro lid to keep your items secure. These are all really thoughtful features, and the fact that you can buy one of these backpacks for around $30 makes it even more impressive. Not only does it look stylish and mature, it also does what it sets out to do very well, which is provide a functional backpack for your daily work carry. So that wraps up our 3 women's backpacks for work. We hope this video has helped you discover some new options. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description for where to purchase these backpacks, as well as a link to our larger Backpackies article that lists even more backpack options, plus some tips to help you find the perfect work backpack. Thanks for watching.